In this video, I'll show you how to turn Wi-Fi on or off on an Acer laptop using only the keyboard. First, locate the FN key on your keyboard. Now, look for the function key that has a wireless or Wi-Fi icon on it. On many Acer laptops, this is F3, but it may vary depending on your model. To turn Wi-Fi on or off, press FN plus F3 together. A wireless menu may appear on the screen, allowing you to enable or disable Wi-Fi. Once Wi-Fi is enabled, your laptop will automatically detect available wireless networks. If Wi-Fi is disabled, your laptop will disconnect from all wireless networks until you turn it back on. That's it. This is how you can turn Wi-Fi on or off on an Acer laptop using only the keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.